In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Sam's Club bulky backpack in Chain 2 Player Obby. To get started, open Roblox on whatever device you use, whether that's a PC, mobile device, or console, and sign into your account. Before you jump in, make sure your connection is stable and your account is ready, since you'll want everything working smoothly once you enter the game. Next, search for Chain 2 Player Obby and join the experience. This is a cooperative game, so an important thing to know right away is that you'll need another player with you to complete the course properly. If you already have a friend ready, that makes things easier. If not, you may need to team up with someone in-game so you can continue through the challenge together. After you spawn into the game, look around the lobby or starting area for the Sam's Club event NPC, which may also be labeled as Raleigh. This character is the key to starting the backpack quest, so take a moment to explore the spawn area carefully if you don't see them immediately. Once you find the NPC, interact with them to begin. When the prompt appears, accept the quest. This officially starts the mission and lets you begin collecting the hidden event items scattered throughout the game. It's a good idea to pay attention to any quest text or directions that appear, since they can help you understand what you're looking for. From there, work together with your partner to collect all 10 hidden items around the map and obstacle course. Because this is a two-player obby, teamwork really matters here. Stay coordinated, move carefully, and communicate as you go so you don't miss anything. If one area seems difficult, slow down and make sure both players are progressing together, since the chain mechanic can make movement trickier than in a normal obby. Once you've found and collected all 10 items, head back to the event NPC in the lobby or spawn area. Interact with the NPC again to complete the quest and turn everything in. This final return step is important because collecting the items alone usually isn't enough until the mission is fully completed through the event character. After that, claim the Sam's Club bulky backpack. If free copies are still available, the item should be added directly to your Roblox inventory. At that point, you can check your avatar items later to confirm it's there. And that's how to get the Sam's Club bulky backpack in Chain 2 Player Obby.